Welcome back. Okay, our next pattern in this video is going to be the belt loop. Yes, the belt loop for the gentleman. That means the lady's hand is going to trail the guy's belt loop so that way we get this nice little connection on the other end. Now, we're going to start off from an open position. Okay, from this angle, I'm going to give you 4 different angles of it, okay? Ready? And triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step. Very nice. Remember, we actually reached with our left hand and we're upside down, so we would do another pass to get this back where we needed to, right? You also can do on this a right to right when you come out. So remember this as you do the belt loop. You have a choice, gentlemen. Take your left hand and connect, or you reach over and shake hands and you connect for other patterns. Cool? This is a great pattern to use for that. So let's give you a different angle. Ready? And triple, rock, step, triple, rock, step. Nicely done. All right, let's go from here. Ready? And triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step. All right, now one more time. Ready? And triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step. Wonderful. All right. Now, you got 4 different directions. You should get this down immediately, right? Take your time. Again, once more, as we've said before, if you need more detail on how to go through this, all right, go back to the private lesson style videos on this particular pattern and we'll go in detail for you, okay? Other than that, just kind of watch it over, together apart, go have fun, and come on back for the next pattern.